Hi everybody, welcome to the show today. Today on the show we're going to clean the shop. So this is going to be a real exciting episode. I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. So we're going to get into how we clean the shop. You're going to see a lot of stuff about what we do while we clean the shop, things we find, the tools in the mess. And I think you're really going to enjoy this episode. So let's get a little R&R.
Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to clean the shop. I got my memory card right here. I feel like Tim. So today on the episode, cleaning the shop, there's about 5 or 6 very important pieces. Number 1, sweeping etiquette or technique. Same thing. You got to be a polite sweeper, but you also have to be a good sweeper. Okay. Number 2, you're going to find a lot of lost tools. We're going to show you how to find all the tools that you're going to lose because your shop's so dirty. Number 3, wrapping up the air hose. It's more difficult than it seems. So there's a correct way to do it and an incorrect way to do it. Number 4, proper tool replacement, okay? So you don't just want to throw everything in the box. There's a method to the madness, you know? You got to keep your box organized. Number 5, throwing away important stuff. You're going to throw away important stuff when you clean the shop. That's just a given, you know? Number 6, organizing the supplies cabinet. You got to keep the supplies cabinet organized or else you'll die. I don't know. Number 7, and more. So we're going to show you everything and more.
Very important. That's right. I'm doing a good job. There. Hope you learned something.
Oh. Looks like an estimate. Probably don't need this. So these are all the lost tools. And the trick to this is, you don't want to bring all the tools in one go. Because then that's just too, it's too effective. What you want to do is have 2 or 3 trips. Forget some of the tools or drop some on the way. Don't pick them up. So, as you can see, Tim, he has kind of a method to this where the clamps go in there. This is some air tools. We got miscellaneous files and hammers and things. I don't really care about that stuff. This is not my toolbox, and these are not my tools, so I don't really have to go digging through this ever. So I usually just put them all in one drawer, and he just sifts through them whenever he needs them. Find a random baby is part of how to clean your shop. How to clean your shop? You get help from the shop baby.
So we found something. I don't know, it was just kicking in the corner there. So just so you know, sometimes I put stuff on top of the trash can. It's not always trash. Sometimes stuff gets thrown away because I'm an idiot. So we have some organization. Don't forget, you always got to put these where they go. As you can see, we have everything kind of where it goes. Make sure they all go back where they go.
Alright guys, we want to show you the proper sweeping technique. Also, I'm paid by the hour, so I just like to make sure it's really clean. Another one you can do is, you can actually, this side of the broom sometimes works better than the brushes. For the big stuff.
And your tools.
Oh, this is a good example, guys. Cleaning is awesome because you'll find tools that you might have missed. Like, look at all this stuff. Imagine if you didn't clean. These tools would be lost forever because you wouldn't pick up the cardboard. Eventually, you'd run out of tools.
Proper handoff. So I get everything to about, my wife says about 90%. She calls me Half-Assed Tim. So I'm going to get a hat that says HAT for Half-Assed Tim. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or dislike. We got our first dislike. Where me and Max are very excited about it because that means other people besides my friends and family are watching. And that's it. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode, and I'm hoping you enjoyed it. Max is doing our latest video.
Yep.
Getting that ready. So tune in next week.